What's the tattoo here?
This is my wife.
Oh, she's so small.
Oh, yaar, mathe.
What we read, that your dad said all kinds of things like you're not a good looking guy, you're not a strong guy, you're not a...
He was more mean than that. One girl walked up and said, like, you look like Robert Pattinson. I didn't know who he is. Done, bhai. हो गया. अब acting करेंगे हम लोग. I am one of those people who came to Mumbai for the first simple thing, hero बनना. My first audition was for Vaira Khan. I want 10 crores.
10 crores for one film. I was always asked for naked pictures.
I just understood numbers. I just understood economics. It was just common sense for me. I don't know how.
19 multiplied by 12.
Huh? And I went to Mumbai. I got into Jain College. Never completed my graduation. First thing when I reached Bandra, I wanted to see where Shah Rukh Khan stays, where Salman Khan stays.
मुझसे friendship करोगे? Okay, we have Ayush Sharma who's just walked in the middle of a shoot. He's very tired, very sleepy. And I apologize, he's not a morning person. और मैंने बुलाया सुबह because we don't like working second half. Actually, today we're working long. It's a very horrible day for us because we have many guests coming. But Ayush is our first. Ayush, thank you for coming to the show.
Thank you for
What's
having
the
me.
tattoo here?
This is my wife.
Oh, she's so small.
You know, it was actually a long story of me.
I can read it now. Huh.
Yeah, because I'm on a bachelor's trip. And she sent me a photo of my name on her hand. And I got excited and I said, I'm also going to do it. Now, the only thing is that I did it this big.
Huh.
Her tattoo turned out to be so small.
So she's got your name on her hand?
She has, my name over here.
Yeah.
And I
Which
have
one
her
bracelet covers it?
Yeah.
Huh.
And now I have her name slapped over here. And I roam around everywhere with this.
But that's good, yaar.
Yeah.
The only problem is वो क्या है वो Beckham Jr. का नाम क्या है? The guy who is the kid. Come on, youngsters.
Cruz Beckham? Cruz.
No, something like that.
Yeah.
We'll get it.
Yeah.
Brooklyn.
Yeah.
Yeah, very good. Did you Google that fast? Wow. You know. Brooklyn.
Yeah.
So there's some fight panga going on between the parents and
yeah.
and
But,
because
yeah.
he's got this really rich wife who doesn't like them,
Yeah.
blah blah blah. So he's removed the father's name. David Beckham
Yeah.
is on one
Yeah.
shoulder. He's
Yeah.
removed. He's
Wow.
removed the name, and there's like a scar and all that. Yeah.
But see, that is a big drill. Huh?
Real khundas, bhai.
Yeah, well, first you take the pain to put it on.
Yeah. No, but
Then-
that time he was a young boy, loving his
Yeah.
parents, living off their money, sala. And now,
Then that pain to take it out also.
yeah.
That
But
kundas is
what a
real.
statement, man.
Yeah.
Against your own parents.
Yeah, that's some serious kundak he has.
Scary.
Yeah.
And I would always tell people ki if you're doing a tattoo, forget wife, this and that. Always put parents' name because that's one safe relationship.
That's one safe
वो कभी
relationship.
कुछ नहीं हो सकता.
I agree.
And now we have this Brooklyn story here. So guys, be very careful.
And then the worst thing is when I start shooting, I have to always put tattoo on it.
Oh right, of course.
Yeah, so I have to put
Double
tattoo on
makeup
it.
and all,
Yeah,
yeah,
the makeup takes time, and every time I'm on shoot and I have to hug somebody or something, shirt has makeup marks and everything, and I'm sticking. So I just think I went wrong with the position. I should have done it somewhere.
Yeah,
on the
forearm.
back or something.
Considering
Yeah.
you're an actor and all. But
Yeah.
where could you put it, yaar? As an actor, soon later, we could take your clothes off.
I think we can
Wo bhi
do
hai.
a cliche of a heart or something. Do it here.
But that's also putting too much pressure, no?
Yeah.
Because when you're angry with her also, it's like on your heart. You can't even move it to this side. Ab to gussa ho gaya. Nah, I don't want it here. I've got no tattoos. But a lot of actors do. And Hollywood also. A lot of these guys do. And they manage some or the other.
Yeah.
But it's good. It's a commitment. Once you do a commitment, I guess it's good.
Yeah.
Speaking after 25 years of marriage... Bhai, my skin is torn all over and not from tattoos and not from pleasure. Okay, Ayush, let's start at the beginning. Going through your bio and all this very interesting story before you became an actor.
Yeah.
From how your dad reacted. I don't know, is it true or what we read? That your dad said all kinds of things like you're not a good looking guy, you're not a strong guy, you're not a...
He was more mean than that.
So come on, tell us.
In a beautiful way, he was very mean about it.
Firstly, what was the family background? What did your family business? What was it?
So I'm from Himachal, and my family is like people. My parents. My grandfather is a politician. My father is a politician.
Yeah.
Then we grow apples. So two different things we do.
Yeah.
We grow apples and we help the people of Mandi, Himachal. That's where we are from. So acting से हमारा दूर दूर तक कोई रिश्ता नहीं है. And I was the first.
So were you supposed to be the next like member of parliament?
I think so. Maybe if I would have, people would have liked me. But that was the journey. And I was studying in Delhi. First started studying in Himachal, then went to Delhi. And I was about to complete my 12th. And I told my dad that I want to do my SATs. I want to go to America. I want to experience something.
Before Donald Trump, it was an easier time.
Yeah, it was-
कोई ice वाइस नहीं था तब.
No, but the difficult part was there were still SATs.
You have to get like what 800. What is this called? 700, 800,
1600, something like that.
1600 for 2.
Yeah. But I flunked the first one only.
Flunk, but you didn't get 1600.
Yeah. I didn't get anything. Because I am coming from CBSE board, and suddenly
CBSE board is decent board, bro.
Yeah, but
My cousin
CBSE
told
you write and all, na? You solve your math.
Acha, this is that choice of 2 or 3 or something.
Yeah, this is like Kaun Banega Crorepati happening in English.
Yeah, correct.
Now I'm like looking at it, I'm like, how am I supposed to answer
Bro,
this?
that's the toughest exam actually because they put them this 19-20 ka sawal hai and you're not sure which one. Actually, I think that's cheating.
Yeah.
Because that's not fair.
Yeah. And then they can't even, otherwise in any giving a CBSE exam, the person
It's a clear question.
Yeah, who's checking a mark sheet will see that you have put the effort.
Also, after 20 marks, between 20 and 80 of the 100, they're not paying attention generally.
Yeah.
वो भी थक जाता था. Now they're doing old days, they're doing pen corrections and all.
Yeah.
That was not easy.
Yeah, not easy. So I flunked there. Then he said I might go to UK.
But did you study for this SAT? You did.
I did. Not that anything. I didn't get anything out of it. But then, surprisingly, I did very well till my 12th. Like I was in commerce and math student. I did very well. I was just an average kid, 65% lifelong. Suddenly, I shot up to 90%.
My God.
And my father genuinely thought there is some scam.
बदल गया.
कुछ तो हुआ है. ये या तो किसी कोई.
Is my son on anabolics?
Yeah. It's like how did it? And honestly, even I woke up with that report card and I was like, how did I do that?
But how did you do that?
I don't know. But commerce and maths is clicked. I just understood numbers. I just understood economics. It was just common sense for me. I don't know how.
19 multiplied by 12.
Huh?
19 multiplied
नहीं
by 12.
उतना भी नहीं आता है. It will take time, but to process that now
We can cut paste. Give the answer.
So it just happened really well at that point in time. Then he had good hopes for me that now my kid is going to do something special. And I said I want to go to
Engineering.
No, it was commerce and maths only. Something related to MBA, some BBA, something like that. So he sent me to Bangalore, to Christ University. And supposedly Christ is at that point in time a big one and all that. And I have gone in and I didn't want to go to Bangalore because I had some aspirations of coming to Mumbai.
But you want to be an actor at that point in your head?
Aspirations.
But you were thinking that?
Try. Yeah, I wanted to try it.
So were you acting in school and college?
Nothing.
तो कब हुआ ऐसा?
I am one of those people who came to Mumbai for the first simple thing, hero banna hai. I have no background of going to theatre. I was a very shy kid in school. Never ever performed in someone's shadi also I have not performed. So it was just something that, that one craving in the heart when you think maybe ban sakta hu.
You want to be famous.
Yeah.
More than
very clear.
Like an actor, you want to be famous.
I didn't even know what acting entails. What does it mean to be an actor?
कुछ नहीं. It's what we are doing right now.
Yeah, I just thought it was shirt pehni hai, अच्छी body बना के, look बना के.
In my time, sunglasses were very important. Sunglasses made you hero.
Yeah, actually, I'll come back to this conversation. I have an audition with Shanu Sharma, which she showed me recently. It was hilarious because that was the first of the few when I gave when I came.
Okay, we'll come back to that. Let's now rewind again.
Yeah, so rewinding to this point.
So you were going to do MBA, whatever, and
yeah. So then I got into Christ.
Yeah.
But then I had to get out of it because my dad was very excited because I had to come to Mumbai. And
no, but you took the seat.
I got the seat because I went in an interview wearing a Bali. I was 52 kilos and I was wearing a ganji.
Wow.
And I wore jeans. And I entered the interview.
Yeah.
And they had this zap.
But you look like a rocker in Bangalore. Huh?
Sorry?
Jeans and white ganji, rocker, one of those music guys.
Yeah, because everybody was wearing those formal pants. And me being so serious that I didn't even know it's an interview day. And I've entered and I've just, they said, is this the way you present yourself? And I got it in.
You got upset?
Yeah, actually, initially they were upset. But then I said, all these guys are being fake. I am who I am. I'm just presenting myself the way I am. And they liked it.
Yeah.
And they got it. And my dad was very happy that, my son is in Christ University. He'll study.
पैसा भी बचा है. Suit वूट कुछ नहीं.
जी, पैसा ही बचा. And that whole thing, but I wanted to come. So I purposely created a ruckus out there that, Dad, it's not for me. Can't be here. This is not my future. I want to go to some place which is going to be more challenging for me and all that. And convinced him that I'm going to come to Mumbai.
So you had to start a tamasha at home and obviously convince your father, who at this point was very happy you got into Christ University.
Yes. He finally saw some golden light in his life that suddenly...
Finally, mantri ne banai.
कुछ तो करेगा life में. So, and I went to Mumbai. I got into Jain College. Never completed my graduation.
Jain is also tough to get in, huh? Not bad.
Yeah. But I never completed my graduation.
You can still. After this show, take the coastal road, go straight. In 20 minutes, you'll reach.
Yeah.
Give my name to the peon. we are well connected. Peon is the most important person in South Mumbai.
Yeah.
The watchman and the peon. You know them, you can do anything.
Yeah.
The guy, you can't do anything. It's like that.
Like I believe that because when I came
I'm not
there-
joking.
No, when I came, I'm a typical Delhiite who came wearing my first day in college, jeans, belt, t-shirt, shoes.
But isn't that college clothes?
No, when I came in, everybody was wearing shorts
Wow.
and slippers.
Jai Hind, man.
Jai Hind mein. And everybody looked at me and said, "Are you going for a party or something?" And I'm like, "Isn't
You were
that
overdressed for Jai Hind.
Yeah. I wanted to make a mark, you know. Like, come on, I've seen K3G. Hrithik Roshan.
That's a fair comment. Yeah.
Like he walked in and people said like, wow. So even I thought I'll walk in and people said, wow. That's a separate story that I was still 50 kilos. But,
With that thin?
sorry?
You 50 kilos?
Yeah. I was a very anorexic.
110 pounds.
Yeah. I was a very,
How much are you now?
I'm 72 kilos now.
Okay. Are you happy with this weight or you want to be more or less?
I think I should go a little more.
Yeah, a little more you can be.
I can go around 80, but
yeah.
I'm quite an anorexic person. I have to.
But that's good. Waist will stay in, no?
Yeah.
See, as you get older, that's a great thing. Your
Yeah.
waist will not be very bad.
Yeah.
Other people's big problem is as we age, you can't control the waist. I mean, just look at the boys here. Sorry.
Yeah. So that's it. Then I didn't go to
No, so you got into Jai Hind, but what did you tell your dad? What, commerce, normal, no?
BMS.
Oh, BMS. So that's not a bad degree.
Yeah. So I was like, I'm doing
he was
that.
okay?
He was okay. He was like, chalo, acha hai. Got myself a
Where do you stay?
Bandra.
You got a room.
Superstar Apartments, Perry Cross Road.
Huh.
First time, my dad left me in Cuff Parade.
Huh.
In a
Bro, this doesn't sound like a struggle, huh?
No, I didn't struggle at all.
So corporate
No.
as upmarket places you can be. Yeah, Bandra. I mean, your story should be Nala Sopara mein ek chota sa ek jhopda ke paas. I got one room. Huh.
You know, the sad part about my life is I can't even glorify my struggles. Like even if I want to,
It's
pretend,
overdone, yeah. Too many people have
so I
glorified
can't.
struggles.
It's the truth that first he left me in a Steel Authority guest house.
Oh, nice.
So I was staying there, Cuff Parade, big. I was looking at all the.
It's like room service, guest house, and you call for food and all that, huh?
And they threw me out though.
Why?
Because they said, sir, it's a government guest house. It is not a PG that you staying here for 6 months now. So then I moved to, I wanted to see where do I want to stay, but I didn't want to stay in town.
But college is in town.
But they didn't allow because I used to love eating non-veg. And on
Oh, there's
Marine
no-
Drive, they don't allow.
Yeah.
So I was like, no, I want to go. And first, I was single from Delhi, eating non-veg. So I was...
Like, talk to me, bro. I'll show you where to go for non-veg. Don't worry. South Bombay mein hai, sab kuch.
Yeah, but that time I didn't know. Na?
Yeah.
So that time I was struggling. I didn't have any friends or anything like that over there. So then I moved to Bandra because I said,
He moved to Bandra for non-veg. This is so... If you're from Delhi, call us. Okay, you don't have to have work in one part and go to another part. Everything is available. Huh?
no, but the fact is I liked the Bandra because first thing when I reached Bandra, I wanted to see where Shah Rukh Khan stays, where Salman Khan stays. I did my whole tour and I reached on Carter Road. And when I was sitting on Carter Road, I said, this is the place. That's CCD, 2009.
Correct. Yeah.
CCD,
It's
looking
a
at the
famous
sea.
landmark.
Yeah, I
In
said-
fact, CCD was where all the guys who are trying to be heroes would stand.
Yes.
No?
Yes.
At least in the 90s and early 2000s. I remember because my pal Cyrus Saukar lives nearby. We used to fetch him for shoots.
Yeah.
And we go there and there's always some guy in a tight shirt.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
with a
Yeah.
slight punch,
Yeah.
struggling to keep it in like that. And he's trying to look really like hard.
Yeah.
You know, hoping some producer will pass by.
Yeah.
I hope you didn't do that.
No, I was.
Oh!
I was sitting there and I was to be like, this is the place I want to be.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
you know, that typical white t-shirt with a checkered shirt on top with jeans.
24-hour audition.
Yeah. That it's like that same look. So then I went to CCD and I said, this is the place to be. Now the struggle, which is not a struggle, which I made
No,
a struggle.
acting struggle is there. The living struggle is not there.
Acting didn't start as a first battle was where am I going to reside? That's what I was doing. So then I convinced
Achha, you have to take a house. I mean, you have to find a place.
place. But I was not interested in staying in a PG and all. So I was busy convincing my dad that I need a solo place where I can stay because, that's what I want to do. And it will help me study more. And right now I've just come out of my 90%. So my dad is in a very good mood with me.
Right.
Maybe
Plus, you're alone in Bombay.
Yeah,
if you can
yeah.
afford it, he has to help you. Huh?
So I got next Superstar Apartments. That's what my first apartment was on here, Perry Cross Road.
Sounds like a great place.
Yeah, right there. Like it's under redevelopment right now. Every time I pass it, I see it.
Wow.
So got into that. Then I decided that okay now.
So you had your own place.
Yeah. I had my own place. Xbox. One maid I had because I decided I thought I'll cook, but I'm a horrible chef. So I decided I'll keep a maid. Life is good, living. That the only thing that happened, then I started feeling that college is too far, so I hardly went to college. There was
There's no coastal road.
Yeah, there was no coastal road. Sealing had just opened at that point.
There's also a thing called train, which in Delhi is not there so much, but
No, experience it for one day.
and you felt that too many boys were touching you.
No, I got pushed into the train and very soon I was about to be pushed out of the train.
That's a lottery, boss. Many people don't make their stop. You have no idea. अगर मिला तो मिला, नहीं मिला तो ठीक है, नौकरी मिलेगा इधर.
Yeah, so I was like, ये नहीं हो पाएगा. Then I wanted to fetch a car for myself. So then I convinced my dad. Dad, listen.
You're sounding an American. See, the naukri is last.
Yeah.
First you're getting the house, then you're getting the car,
Yeah.
then you're finding the work.
Yeah. I was see, typical Delhi mindset. Place where you stay, the car, what you're driving. So after a lot of, aage piche, I managed to get a Maruti Ritz, which was stellar.
Not a bad car. Yeah, for the time. Yeah.
Stellar. I still have it, by the way.
You still have it?
I still
It's
have
like a khilona, na? You can just turn it to any corner and
Yeah.
disappear.
That was maroon color. And I got it registered on my birthday, like 2610. It was like very proud moment of my life. So I got that car. Now I decided I will go to college because now I have a car, I have a house.
But where will you park? Pagal hai? South Mumbai, Jai Hind College, there's no parking anywhere.
Yeah, but that I didn't think through. No, that is a different background.
Non-veg you can get, parking you can't get. Brother, you talk to me.
No.
Chief Minister can't get parking in South
No,
Mumbai.
so the best thing is that first time when I've taken the car, now the car is brand new. And you know that new thing that
Yeah.
very
Very proud, yeah.
we scratched nahi lagna chahiye gaadi pe. So I've driven, I can't remember this. So you go on the Marine Drive, then you should turn a left towards Mantralaya. There used to be a mall.
Yeah.
There used to be a theatre out there.
Oh, YB Chavan.
Yeah. So I parked the car there. From there, I took a taxi to go back to Jaipur.
YB Chavan is far away, boss.
Yeah. Because I didn't have a parking. I wanted to make sure my car is safe.
What, is it safe to park there? That's also, at least
No,
today, it's
you know,
not
there
safe.
used to be a theatre. No, that one.
YB Chavan ke andar, you
The
goes out it inside.
One left before Trident. Before the left, you take a Trident. There used to be a mall.
Oh, that where the thing
This
came up. But
theatre.
that's pay and park.
Yeah, they pay a park. I would pay and park.
And then walk from there to Jai Hind.
No, take a cab.
Take a cab. But this cab will also be...
Yeah, but imagine the smartness I had. That I would go all the way, drive it down, but not park it there,
As your finance minister, I'm not happy with this thinking, but
Exactly.
anyway, theek hai.
Exactly. No, that was also the first time I
But then you can't show off the car, no?
No, that exactly. But I didn't want to scratch. More than the show off, it was actually the scratch.
Yeah.
For
those who don't know, Jai Hind, HR, all these colleges in South Mumbai, there is no place. It's unbelievable. I mean, even your time, a few years have passed, it was not much better. There's no place to walk. People actually just die.
Yeah.
They actually get hit by things because it's just so cramped, you have no idea.
Yeah, I realized it much later. So that was the journey. Then I decided very soon. So that's my childhood friend Devesh. So he's been with me since both those
Jai Hind
days.
boy?
No, he was doing HM. He was from Delhi. And
Wow.
yeah, so he came with me from Delhi. So we both lanky boys. We were sitting in Marine Drive one day. We didn't know what to do with ourselves in Mumbai. And until now, even he didn't know why I'm in Mumbai.
But why was he in Mumbai? The other catering?
He was studying.
So he had a proper...
Yeah, he had agenda.
Fair.
I was the one who was rotating.
You had a college, so I mean that part is fair. The only thing is you're spending a lot of money for a guy without a job.
Yeah, I was doing that. And the beauty is that, imagine where did I decide that I'm going to tell him that I'm going to be an actor? I went to Marine Drive.
But one sec, just before you decide, you knew you wanted to be an actor.
I aspired to be one. I said, I'm not
But you were
in
taking
Bombay.
it seriously in your head, or you were just saying कि बहुत आगे पहुंच गया मुंबई में तो?
To be very honest, at that point in time, I thought, who will stop? How can I not be a hero? I'm such a good-looking guy. At 50 kilos, I was like, look at me. That's a separate story. When I look back at the pictures, I said I was a very, very optimistic person. Now I can't even stand my face, but I took him there. Now we did take him. I was on Marine Drive, right in front of Trident.
Yeah.
Because I read somewhere that Shah Rukh Bhai for the first time told in Marine Drive that I will become an actor on Marine Drive.
It told the universe.
Yeah.
That's the legend.
Yeah, so I walked in the same place.
Yeah.
And I told
It's
him.
the same legend. Amitabh Bachchan slept on the pavement. Shah Rukh Khan looked at the asman and said, boss, मैं Shah Rukh ban jayega.
Yeah. So it's called glorifying your struggle, right?
It's a manifestation actually.
Yeah,
It's not a worst idea in the world if you're very sincere about what you're doing.
Yeah. My sincerity didn't happen like that. It was just like, I didn't even know what I was getting into.
Nothing wrong. You should dream.
Yeah. So
I want to become head of Czechoslovakia. But the country doesn't exist. It's split up. But people should have dreams.
Yeah, but sometimes you think like, my life has actually been a manifestation,
I'll tell you honestly, I have very strong thing about positive thinking. People who don't have positive thinking, they always underachieve. People who do have positive thinking, they may look stupid here and there, but sooner or later something will happen for them.
Like today's a very positive thinking. I've seen you have very fond memories from the time I was in Delhi. I used to watch you.
Oh God.
Yeah. And that's why I came and complimented your physique because since then we used to look at your arms and I'm like,
yeah, bro.
Aspiration.
This is now the podcast will go to another area altogether. I'm a frustrated, lonely man who's with the same wife and my mother. And it's a horrible existence for all three of us. But where to go? It's, I mean, I apply to other people's families every time and they say, "Nahi, boss, capacity nahi hai. No vacancy, please go." So he understands. See, the one guy laughing in the room is also over 50. You see immediately the empathy. But nobody else cares because they don't understand the pain yet.
No, I feel
हो
it.
जाएगा बेटा, हो जाएगा.
Other than my wife, even I think I don't think so anybody
We'll
wants
come to your wife and all, but
Yeah.
so this is a very interesting thing. So you actually in your mind thought, boss, I'll become a hero, even though there was zero like process in your mind. कि
Yeah.
तरीका नहीं है how to.
Yeah. So I told my friend Divesh, I said very silently, I said, "Do you think I can be an actor?" And there was a pause of 2 minutes where he kept staring at me.
But did girls like you? Because these are the important things for being a hero.
Yeah, that's why I thought I could.
So you
be.
felt back in Himachal and Delhi and were girls
Yeah,
looking at you and
yeah.
saying, nice.
So that time there was my jackpot happened when I didn't even know. I was not very familiar with Hollywood films at that point in time. I was not very comfortable with English. Robert Pattinson had just come with his vampire series.
Huh.
You know. So now suddenly I was this lanky boy and somebody walked up, one girl walked up and said, like, "You look like Robert Pattinson." I didn't know who he is.
Can we show a picture? I can't remember what he looks like. Does he look like Robert Pattinson?
No, I hope not anymore.
No, it's possible.
I hope not. But that time I got that.
So that you got that kida immediately, your boss, Hollywood
Yeah.
पहुंच गया भी. Huh.
Yeah, I said, "Whoa, really? I
Yeah.
look international." So that's the reason why I thought a couple of girls.
But we stopped, we interrupted. What did he say when you said, "Ki boss, I want to be an actor"? What was his reaction?
After two minutes that he kept staring at me, he said, "Done भाई, हो गया. अब acting करेंगे हम लोग."
But he just said that to make you happy, or?
No, after 30 seconds later, he's like, "तो शुरू कैसे करेंगे?"
Good point. Yeah.
So I said that I don't know. So then began my journey of finding out. So first thing I went
Did
is
you tell your dad? When did you tell
no.
him? That comes
After
later.
I was almost my college called my dad that my attendance is 6%. That's when he came down, and until then I was doing my.
He
acting
came downward?
workshops. Yeah, he came down, and I was doing an acting workshop.
Workshop कहाँ था?
Roshan Taneja acting.
Oh, the famous one. Yeah. Huh.
That also because I didn't know anything. I just walked up and because I got to know all the acting work happens in Andheri. So I went there and I was going through the street and I was looking at all the workshops what happened, and it said 60% success ratio. You know, that ad used to have 60% success ratio.
60% success ratio. Tell me 60% of the aspirants who are inside the academy get to become heroes. Nah.
No, I didn't know any of that.
Huh.
I just saw the familiar faces and it said 60%.
Oh, so the Bollywood faces were put there.
Yeah, and I said 60%. It says. So I said, this seems like a credible.
Good chance.
This has a 60, that's more than this thing. I entered. I joined my acting workshop. That was the first time.
So how was that if you were introverted guy, shy guy and all that? How was the workshop? Did it help?
Fascinating.
Huh?
The first day only, I remember my acting coach, Raju sir. He said, repeat after me. छल के वे दूध पर रोने से क्या लाभ? I got blown away. I came back and I told him, I said, dude, can you believe this line? छल के वे दूध पर रोने से क्या लाभ है?
And you said exactly the way he said it.
No, I was very bad at it. But I was very fascinated that, acting, you have to breathe. Do you know? You have to learn lines. Do you know it's not about this? And then they asked us to watch Godfather. So from DVD Center, got their Godfather, didn't understand anything. All the workshops that they were giving me, I couldn't understand. I couldn't dance to save my life.
But they teach you, right?
Yeah, but they were all. Everybody was very good at what they were doing.
Achha, those other students were good at dancing,
They would do everything, and I was just this guy who just couldn't do anything, and I didn't know my pauses. I didn't know anything, and plus I was a Himachali. So the problem is that with Himachalis we speak very fast. So मेरे बोलने का तरीका बहुत
This podcast is right for you. It's a very fast-speaking podcast.
yeah. So that was exactly what my problem
How do you
was.
give galis in Himachali then? But how I'll not be able to understand if you say too fast, no? Like if you give
that,
me
but
Maben ki gali, just how fast
But
will it
Himachalis
be?
don't usually abuse.
No abuse.
No.
तमीज से बात करते
Yeah,
हो?
yeah,
When you're angry, how do I know?
No. Oh, yaara mathe.
That's it.
That's it. You get the tone. That's it. They
So
don't.
then if I'm about to shoot someone, if I'm a Himachali, I'm going to shoot someone, the language will not measure up with the anger. I'll only say this much and bang.
Yeah.
Oh, that's odd, yeah. We need to discuss this.
Yeah.
I'm not making any cultural aspersions and all that, but we need to discuss this. Because back in Mumbai, when a guy is just asking you for a number, they say, number hai aapke paas kya? You know, I mean, the language is so aggressive, yeah.
But that's the funny thing. My father is Himachali and my mother is Punjabi.
Oh, nice.
So my abusers came from the mom side. No?
As it should.
Mom is the one who's abusing us. So I know all the Punjabi words, but I didn't know all the Himachali words.
It doesn't match.
It doesn't match. It's quite a
One-sided arguments.
Yeah. It's, I only understood one, little Punjabi I know is because of my mom's abuses.
Yeah.
When she used to get angry, she used to get into abuses. That's what happened when I told them I'll be an actor. So after crossing my, 3
No,
months.
but there must be some growth in that acting workshop also.
Oh, yeah,
no?
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Slowly, you must have started finding your feet and thinking, what the hell?
No, I was taking it like very seriously. I used to come back home with
You feel yourself improving and more confidence and all.
yeah. Not that time.
What is the cost for this acting workshop?
It was $150,000.
Wow. और कितना 3 महीना?
3 months.
So it will be more now, obviously.
Yeah, yeah.
A few years have
Yeah,
passed.
yeah. It was 2009.
GST is attached to that? How?
At that time it was GST.
नहीं, GST भी नहीं था. Okay. So in case you want to become an actor, but you can't. It's very difficult to get in also, right? Because नहीं?
Nah, just pay the money.
That's it.
Yeah.
But there must be so many people trying to become heroes and actresses.
No, there were so many acting institutes from here to there. Everybody's acting.
We should start one here. Idea. Note it down. Start an-
Yeah.
Banner not so famous for it, but we should start it. Yeah. Huh.
So that was it. Then I did that, and I remember my graduation scene was.
So what did your bro say all along?
Huh? No, he was very happy because I used to come back and I used to tell
Act for him.
Yeah, like
Show him
what do
what
you
you
think I'm
learned.
doing? He's like, "Oh, very good, very good." That's the sometimes it's always
Yeah,
it's always nice to have your
Backup is very important, boss. People, again, I don't want to brag like some old man telling you things, but if you see parents who are very good with their kids, in the sense कि boss, तुझ में कुछ है, that kind of philosophy from childhood, the kid just gets confident.
For me, other side happened because my friend and my brother, he kept praising me as I was thinking I'm very good.
Yeah.
Until I auditioned for the first time.
Huh.
Till then, kya scene hai, kya dialogue, wow, 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 wow. My parents didn't know, and I was like, I'm doing very well. And then there was a graduation thing where I was doing
Some play, movie.
this scene. I was doing
What scene was it from a famous film?
yeah, famous film. That one, गौर से देखिए इस इंसान को.
Huh.
And that whole pause is that was mimicry. I was not acting. I was doing mimicry because I'd seen the scene, so I was
Doing the same.
exactly the same thing. And then graduated. Went for my first audition, and my first audition was for YRF, by the way.
Huh. This is the one you were telling us before, and you said
Yeah. So my first audition was
How did you get a YRF audition?
I
Luck.
sent in my pictures.
Wow.
And the only thing is that when I went for the photo shoot, because they want portfolio, right? Back in the day, we used to carry those portfolios.
Very important. I don't know what's happened now, but very.
now there's
I think now
Instagram.
also there is. You have to send headshot.
Instagram. Now people send links. That okay. So
Links be hai, but they'll have to send a headshot, yaar.
No
headshot?
No. Now casting, now you get links with the reel, dancing capabilities, acting capabilities, everything, photo shoots, everything is there in your page.
I was always asked for naked pictures. Don't know, and it was mostly art films. I sent them. He was very satisfied. She called him Chacha. Sorry. Back to you. Huh?
Yeah, nobody actually asked me for naked pictures.
Not yet.
Because I was. If I would have taken my clothes, they would have said, "Give food to this, this little boy." So I did for my portfolio shoot, and I went and I said, "Can you make me look like Hrithik Roshan?"
You said.
Yeah. Said,
What does that mean?
I said, "I want my photo shoot to look like I'm Hrithik Roshan."
Oh, okay.
So they said, "From what?" I said, "Dhoom 2." Now I didn't know that whole idea is called bronzer. So they put a bronzer on me.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm wearing this bronzer. I'm brown and I'm posing and all that stuff. With holding a football and with little bit of shoulder. I just started gymming at Gold Gym Bandra. So little bit of all that stuff I've done. So all the auditions I've called for, they thought I'm brown in color. And I turned out to be this Himachali boy. So they're looking at me like, we are looking for some other role. So by the way, I reached out for this audition where Shanu was taking the audition and I was very excited. So back in the day when I was driving for that audition, in my head I was already launched.
Yeah.
Like I knew I've cracked it. Now I'm going to get launched. Then I'm going to become, Juhu Beach is going to have my poster and all that stuff. Then I reached there and I was very bad.
At the audition.
Yeah. And Shanu showed me recently. So I was doing something with this. That wannabe actor look.
Yeah. Al Pacino.
I'm holding my face like that.
Eyebrow up is very important for a hero.
Yeah. So I was squinting and I'm this lanky boy sitting like this, acting, and I was giving them big yarn about acting. That acting is being true to the character, living in the moment. All that because what I had heard.
They shot you talking also.
Yeah, because they had to do the interview of what you like and all that stuff and all that. So I did that.
What if you say like if you said I like to be tickled? Like for example, I mean they're asking. I mean then what would their reaction be? I mean we should have these ready.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah.
I but actually she was very sweet because I was horrible.
Female. Huh.
Shanu was very sweet. I was horrible. I was talking shit. I didn't know what I was doing. Yet she tested me 8 to 9 times.
But they gave you a piece to do also, no?
Yeah.
So that you had rehearsed and come.
No, they gave it to me there.
Oh, on the spot.
Yeah. And I did that.
And then she tried to help you, like do it again, ye karo, wo karo.
Do it. She was trying to really help, but I was.
Were you still squinting and all that?
Yeah. She was trying to tell me not to do it, but I was still.
Hero-giri.
Yeah, I'm a hero.
Yeah.
Actually, I still remember the scene was that I was the that irritating friend of the hero.
Huh.
So that movie turned out to be Mujhse Friendship Karogi.
Oh.
Yeah, and I am the guy who irritates because I like the hero's girlfriend, and I'm the one who's doing some shady things. That only put me off in the audition. How can you audition me for this?
You were like, I'm the hero, not the second hero.
Yeah, I'm like, what the hell? I didn't come all the way to become second hero.
Correct.
But surprisingly, I actually got the part where I had to do nothing in the movie. So I got a call from IRF, and they said, nothing you have to do, no dialogues. You just have to walk around, and you'll be presented as this young kid who's good looking and all that. I thought about it. I said, no.
Why?
I want dialogues. I'm a hero. So that time I said no. And Shanu called. She's like, are you okay? I said, no. I want to be a hero.
But what's the worry? That if they cast you like in a small role, you're in their mind a small character.
I didn't know. I didn't sort of seen struggle till then. No? Till then, I was not ready to what's coming. I thought if the first audition is YRF, dude, I am meant for big things, right? Like YRF has called me.
True.
So that bubble was there. Then it burst after a couple of years.
So you didn't take that gig?
No, I didn't take it.
But would it have helped?
But I think Saqib is doing very, very well for himself.
Oh, he got the gig.
Yeah, Saqib is the hero of the film. So I think maybe.
No, who got that gig of the small?
That I didn't see. I didn't see the movie because I didn't get the part. So I didn't see the movie only.
Oops. You were upset?
Yeah. Okay. Why did they not consider me for the hero's part? But anyways, that happened.
Yash Chopra ko phone kar. Aditya Chopra ko phone kar. I'm so old. I remember different times. I apologize. Yeah. Okay, before we go into, we have to take a break and talk about the film career as well.
Yeah.
Also, I want to talk about how you met your wife.
Yeah.
I think that's very important. You're wearing that on your hand.
Yeah.
Stay with us. Ayush is here. Is there something coming up now?
Movie-wise?
A new film?
Yep.
Okay, so we have to talk about that as well. I should do some homework. No, what kind of anchor is this? Take a break. More coffee?
Yes, please.
More coffee.
Did you know Indians report nearly 800 cases of online financial fraud every day, which has resulted in losses exceeding 1,000 crores in the last 5 years? To keep you safe from such fraud, I am starting my newest podcast series, Conversation with Vigilante, an initiative by HDFC Bank. In every episode, I will feature special guests who can share expert insights on the different types of fraud, their modus operandi, and how you can protect your money. Stay safe, stay vigilant, and don't forget to tune into Conversation with Vigilante. Catch the episodes on all audio streaming platforms and V for Vigilante YouTube channel.
We are just discussing how much we love the city. I am born and bred here, still having trouble. And he's saying ki boss 15 saal ke baad, I love this city and wherever I go, I want to come back to Mumbai.
I want to come back.
Yeah.
Take me anywhere in the world.
Yeah.
1 week, 10 days, and I want to be back to Mumbai.
There's nothing that you want to criticize in Mumbai.
No, obviously, there's a lot to criticize if you
Let's
want to.
spend the next 20 minutes talking.
But I love the city.
Yeah.
I love the people of Mumbai.
Yeah.
I love the whole vibe of Mumbai.
It's also because you found your life in Mumbai in a sense. No?
Sorry?
You found your life in Mumbai.
Yeah, it's on my life, my purpose.
Your wife, your life,
Everything.
has
Yeah,
happened
yeah.
here.
Yeah.
Which reminds us, how do you meet Arpita?
So Arpita, Arpita has been...
College.
No. So in Bandra, I had a friend called Hina. And Hina was friends with Arpita. So these are the days when I was struggling. And this is the time my father practically stopped my money because of the fact that I was acting.
What did he want you to do, bud, at that point?
So I as a...
Oh, you didn't tell us that story.
Oh,
bro.
yeah, sorry.
Because the very interesting thing which I read about him, about what his dad said to him.
Imagine you've gone everywhere, but we not said what I had to say.
I love that story. I want to hear that story.
Yeah, so finally I went to my dad, and my dad came to Mumbai, and he was called by the college that his son has attended college. His attendance is 9%.
Yeah.
And most of the professors...
Which, bro, is fantastic. I got to respect that. I got to respect that fact that, a kid in the last 20 years would do something we used to do peacefully in the 90s.
Yeah. Yeah. So now my dad is here and he's quite ashamed because 1 year back, his golden boy turned out to be a 9%, from 90 to 9.
Yeah.
90 was at
But that's
score.
attendance. That's score.
And then clearly, if I was attending, I was my attendance. So he asked me, like, my mom was quite upset. She's a little Punjabi. She's a Punjabi, so she's a little more dramatic in life. So she was quite upset, and they took say, "Kya nahi diya tumko? Ghar diya, gaadi di, fir bhi
It's like a
tum
reverse
pade
Diwar
nahi."
dialogue that's going on.
Yeah. So and तुमने नाक कटा दी, हमने पूरे परिवार को बोला था हमारा बच्चा मुंबई जा रहा है, कुछ बनेगा, ये क्या कर रहे हो? And I told my dad, I said, Dad, I want to be an actor.
You had joined Taneja classes and all.
Finished. Audition circle had started. My CDs were ready, my photo shoots were ready, everything. And I was showing him that, see, my CD, this is what I have performed. These are my photo shoots and this and that. And I want to be an actor, this and that. So it was a very, important moment of my life. My father said, ki, see, neither are you tall. Neither do you have a physique. Neither you have a voice. Neither are you good looking. You have no personality whatsoever.
एक और चीज, when you walk on the road, nobody looks at you.
Yeah.
I thought that was the worst.
Yeah.
उसमें क्या है? When you walk in the road, nobody even looks at you.
Yeah. He said, आज तक तेरे को कभी किसी ने कहा है कि तू हीरो बन सकता है? I said, yeah. I said, किसने? मैं स्कूल में 2-3 लड़कियों ने कहा था.
सच में?
Yeah, that Robert Pattinson face.
Oh, right. That one girl.
So I said, that is the reason I'm here. And my acting coach said, I'm very good. So he said, you are nothing close to Bachchan Saab. You are nothing close to Dharminder ji. You are nothing close to any, because he has that old generation thing. He's like, you're not going to be a hero at all, because I am not going to pay even 50 rupees to watch you on screen.
Oh shit.
Okay, and I was like, that's...
No, I'm saying oh shit because 50 rupees is what ticket you'll get.
Himachal you get, na?
Well played, beta. Well played.
So he was like, nah. So he said, I have given you a lot of money, I've given you all the support, I've given you...
You must have been very demotivated, but no.
Huh?
You must have felt quite bad when you talked.
I think I expected that. He said, you pack up your bags, come to Himachal, handle the business, and do all this stuff. And I said, Dad, मैं business तो नहीं करूँगा. So, help me. What the hell are you going to do? I'm not going to pay you. He just said, money stops. Figure it out. Now the ego has started. That my father said, no, I cannot be an actor. You said nobody will watch me. Now I will do something.
So what about rent and all?
Rent luckily was paid for that year. I had 1 year.
Prepaid.
Yeah, prepaid. So 1 year was cleared.
तो बच गया वहाँ पे.
तो हाँ, 1 साल मेरा बचा था, गाड़ी भी थी.
घर का खर्च and all that extra.
Yeah. So now the first 30,000 I had kept. Now my journey starts from 30,000 and a house, which is very good to well-to-do. I have a car. And now I started my journey. I said, अब तो मैं करके दिखाऊँ. So until now auditions were, I was a choosy one. मैं YRF की फिल्म नहीं करूँगा. मैं ये रोल नहीं करूँगा. मैं हीरो हूँ. Now from hero I became zero. And no work, nothing happening. There was a coordinator, Babu coordinator. I used to call him up, sir, कुछ काम है. Things came down to a point where I had 20 rupees left, and Ayaz,
30,000 went down to 20.
Yeah, 20. Nothing fueling, ye, wo, khana, vana, everything. I was standing at Ayaz, next to Galaxy.
Right.
And nobody was eating Ayaz at that point in time. So 20 रुपए थे, 15 रुपए का रोल था. ऐसा खाता हूँ. So Devesh at that point in time had gone back to Delhi, and he got his first job as in Accenture. So he called me up.
What is he doing in Accenture? He's a caterer.
He got into financing after that. So he did
Delhi लोग बहुत मेरे ख्याल से dodgy लोग हैं.
Yeah.
What's going on? He did catering and he's in Accenture. He's not heading it in 5 months. He loaned some money.
Yeah. So he actually called me in his success thing that bro, मेरी नौकरी लग गई. 50,000 per month I'm making. I said, congratulations.
मेरे पास 15 रुपया है.
So I said, donate it to the temple, give it to your mom or something like that. Because he's making money, I'm sitting on ground zero.
Yeah.
So he said, where are you? I said, I'm standing on the road. He said, why are you standing on the road? I'm eating a roll. He said, what happened? Now he knew about the fact that my father stopped my money. And he said, अरे तेरे पास खाने के पैसे नहीं है. ऐसा नहीं है. So the morning I woke up and the money is credited into my account. Okay, and I'm like, he's
looking down, he's teared in his eye abhi.
So I got that money in my account. Now I'm rebooted for 50. ऐसा अब तो कुछ
You put the full?
Yeah, full 50.
क्या बात है? This is like a Hollywood story. You please make this film one day, huh?
Yeah. So now I have 50,000 back.
50 grand. I'm very impressed, beta.
Yeah.
और कोई भाई है घर में? I want a friend. है ना? मुझसे friendship करोगे? Wow, that's damn good, huh? I can't believe he sent his whole salary.
He sent the whole salary, and now I'm rebooted again.
He likes girls, but
sorry, yeah, he does.
Because they are saying, I am not saying. What is that? दुनिया सबके लिए है. Then
and he likes girls a lot. I wonder if girls like him, but
that's okay. That's an Indian problem, bhai.
Yeah.
Don't bring that up. Don't bring that up. Yeah. Look around my room.
So yeah.
So पैसा आ गया?
पैसा आ गया. Journey begins again. Now the ego has gone out of the window. Now I'm standing on ad commercial auditions. I'm standing in all those auditions. Pepsi, ungli में tingli में ungli. Sir, मुझे ले लो. That was fun. Now the journey from CCD Carter Road has moved to Costa in Andheri and Chai Coffee
Near Aram Nagar.
and Aram Nagar, WTF, all those places.
Yeah.
Sitting, checking on messages कि अभी यहाँ audition वहाँ कैतान fan, इसका fan, उसका ये करते luck वहाँ भी थोड़ा कम था मेरा, but I was getting some there used to be these pre-made shoots, like you don't shoot for any brand, you just shoot.
Oh, they insert the brand.
Yeah, and then later on the brand buys
Correct,
whatever image they
correct,
want.
yeah.
So that I used to get like
But you get paid, no?
yeah 10,000 15,000 rupees. So 15,000 rupees and all that stuff, and that 15,000 would go into early morning, going to the bus and shooting and all that stuff. So that used to keep my house running in that sense, like as in I was getting
Because हर महीना सर का पगार नहीं चलेगा भाई. I don't think it's fair.
yeah. So then that started helping us out and everything. Then coordinator 10% काटे, 15% काटे, ये काटे, वो काटे.
Yeah, people should understand that it's until you become big.
Yeah.
I mean, you just don't make anything because
No,
the 12 people are eating your money from various sides.
Then after 5-6 shoots, you are only asking him. It's like,
Yeah.
बाद में दूंगा, अगले महीने. I was like, अरे अगले इस महीने का क्या? So then that journey began. And then that went on for good amount of time. I wanted to do TV shows. I thought TV serial पकड़ता हूँ. I'll make
At least
that
work
will
to
be
work
good,
है.
this
हाँ.
thing. Then I went for Star Plus, Z, met those guys, and when they said, बच्चा है तू. Like तू कौन सा मतलब बच्चा है? So I said okay, didn't work out there. Then couple of ads here and there I got. Then mainly for modeling stuff I was making my ends meet. But now the fun thing was that I have a house in Bandra, I have a car, and everything. I belong to this family and I have money, but I don't have money in my account. And at that point in time, my food was coming out. So I'm taking this conversation to your next question. From here, this phase, I met Hina, and Hina used to send me food.
Like from goodness of a heart.
Yeah, goodness of a heart. That she lives on Pali Hill, and she met me, and she met me through a friend who I was paying to make my body. So through the via we met, and then she started sending me food. And first time I had this nice Muslim food that was coming in. I said because I had protein requirements, so I need protein requirements.
Correct.
So they were making nice mutton, chicken, and everything. So I was like, chalo, that is a good rishta to have. And then we became friends. Now she was friends with Arpita.
This Hina is also a young lady.
Yeah. She's a little older, 2-3 years older to me. But yeah. So that time we met, and then we started, she helped me with the food. And I was like, I was keeping like my dinner is at least taken care of. I don't have to take care of my dinner. So then dinner's taken care of, and I was doing auditions in the morning, having food and everything. Now she introduced me to Arpita. And when I met Arpita, is via Hina. That time, it was about, what? Out of the blue, in 2012 for the first time. Now, Arpita thinks I come from this
Political connected
big
family from the north. Huh?
but I'm Nanga from my pocket.
Huh.
I'm like, she gave me an impression, whole image of Arpita, that Arpita is very uptight. But she turned out to be quite a fun character.
But you'd also have to pay for dates and all that, no?
Exactly. So, but then she was also dating somebody else. And I was dating somebody else.
Oh.
So this was just a friendly relationship. It started as a friendly banter. Then after friendly connections, we spoke multiple times. We became friends and everything. Then she started giving me advice of who person to meet, where to go, did all that stuff. Nothing materialized it. She actually asked me, I remember, this was the fun part.
But
She
you
said,
knew which family she's from and all.
Yeah, obviously I knew. So I knew Solbhai before I knew Arpita. Because of Gold Gym. Solbhai is a regular in Gold Gym.
Right.
So he told me that he has worked with me or something. But then I left the gym. Couldn't afford Gold Gym at that point in time. Then, so Arpita then told me one day, you should produce your own film. Launch yourself. I said, really? I can do that? So she said, yeah. Ask your dad.
Oh.
Your dad has money. Your dad will give you the money. I said, let me go for a round 2. So I went back to Himachal after 1 year. And my dad is looking at me with that look that, okay, maybe his reality is come into him. And I said, Dad, he's like, ho gaya? Are you ready to come back? I said, no, Dad, I want 10 crores.
10 crores for one film?
Yeah. That's the number somebody gave me. Some guy told me that this is the number.
कम से कम ये लगेगा.
कितना लगेगा पिक्चर में launch करने के स्टोरी वोरी बनाने के लिए and all that.
Publicity भी एक चीज है.
Yeah.
And all that.
So I didn't know anything about films. ठीक है. So I said, okay. I went to my dad, and my dad was sitting there, and he, it was the fun thing that I was talking to him. He was watching some race, horse race or something. And he laughed. He looked at me. He thought I'm going to.
He thought you were joking.
No. I said, Dad, I have 10 crores. Like, for what? You want to start something? I go, no, I want to launch myself. And he just looked at me. Now I just put on little bit of weight, little bit of muscles had come out. So he's looking at me and he said, "बेटा कभी तूने देखा है किसी को लंगड़े घोड़े पे पैसा लगाते हुए?"
I like your dad, bro. He's straight up, man.
Yeah.
Straight up. Yeah.
He said, मैं तो 10 करोड़ चलो बेटा समझ के दे भी दूंगा, बट तेरे को देखने कौन आ रहा है पहले मेरे को ये बता, ठीक है? And I'm like, यार इतनी भी हार्ड मत बनो यार लाइफ में. मैं डैड 1 साल हो गया, I've done this modeling shoot, I've done this, please, you know, I'm struggling, I want to make something out of my life. So luckily my grandfather understood the concept. And my grandfather told my dad कि देखो, I also started my journey. He's the first in the family who wants to do something of his
Different,
own.
yeah.
You know, every time controlling it is not the right way to go. Give him a chance. Give him a timeline. Or give him something, because it's not right, you know, that he's going around there and all that stuff and he doesn't have money. So that, then Dad allotted a certain amount of money. Now a little bit Haryali came. Came in back into my life. That's when I started going out even more, dressing up a little
The
better.
money was for looking after you or putting in to make a film?
No, my dad already got that rejected.
Oh, that is
That rejected.
He just gave you a little more financial support. Ki boss, you don't have a good life.
Yeah, like be a little more comfortable, because I was buying my perfumes from Decent. All the fake ones I used to buy from Decent and all that stuff I was doing. So
But fake perfume smells damn good, yaar.
yeah, but it wears off very fast.
You think?
Yeah, that's the problem.
Yeah. It's just save it for the night when you're meeting a girl.
Especially if you're renting clothes for your auditions.
Huh.
Like Andheri, you know, those they say come in the Sherwani and all. You
Yeah.
have to rent those clothes.
Yeah.
100 rupees an hour wale.
And a lot of frustrated actors, they do all kinds of things in those clothes. We don't know what kind of stains are there and all. It's horrible. Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, Aranagar, there's no place to pee here.
Thanks.
You're sitting there waiting for the audition for 4-5 hours. You can't urinate anywhere. People don't know how hard the life is.
Yeah. So I said, okay, chalo, ye bhi theek hai. Life is a little better. Don't give your father too much of attitude. Calm down. So then we had some money. I was going around taking auditions, doing stuff. Nothing was really materializing. And then I said, this is where Arpita and me became very close. She broke up with her boyfriend. I broke up with my girlfriend. Now we started talking to each other. From our, disjointed hearts became one. Very cliche, but that's what happened. And then we thought about getting married.
So you got married before you got launched?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And when that point of time, when I was like, I had this thing that now, what do I go and tell your brother? That's the question.
Yeah. Also, they didn't come to you and say, boss, try this, try that, since you're family.
No, they didn't know me. They don't know of me.
Okay.
I was we were
Hidden in the background.
Yeah, we were dating. Like Arpita has all these friends. I was one of the friends, so they never suspected it. That there's something happening there. Until Salman Bhai one day walked in, and he just walked in on Arpita and me watching a movie, which was Coffee with Karan. And they were talking about him. He walked in and he caught me in the room, which he was very. I thought I'm in a situation I'm gonna get beaten up, but it didn't happen. He was quite civil about it. So now he knows.
He realized that you all are seeing each other.
Yeah.
Could tell from the body language. And what's up.
Yeah. So
and now you have to act properly.
Yeah. So now Arpita's like, he wants to meet you. I was like, what do I say I do? Because I was like, dude, I've been about 3-4 years. I've not made anything out of myself. And now you can't walk up to Salman Khan and say, I want to be an actor. And this look doesn't work in front of him, Like,
Yeah, he must have so many people try to get his eye. Huh?
Yeah. So I was like, it doesn't work. It just looks very stupid. That
This look you tried?
No.
Try it again.
This is a typical Andheri look.
Yeah, I think it's an important look if you want to be an actor. You have it.
Yeah,
and then you use other looks.
The pet peeve.
Yeah.
Acting to hum apni maa ke peet se seekh ke aaye hain.
Kya baat hai.
You know, that whole attitude.
Let's do the whole podcast again with the eyebrows up.
I anyways get trolled for it.
So then he confronts you. But
he
he's
doesn't
nice.
confront. He was actually quite nice.
Huh.
He just he understood that we were together, and Arpita said you have to meet him. So I said I can't go there and tell him that I am a struggling actor who can't even do shit in his life. So she said, what do you want to go and tell him? I tell him that, listen, I'm a struggling actor. So that's what I went and said. Said, what do you do? I'm like, I'm a struggling actor. I've not done anything in my life, but I'm thinking of, I want to stay in Mumbai permanently. So I'm thinking of opening a restaurant or something like that I want to do, because I want to stay in Mumbai. I don't want to go back
Long-term
to
goal, huh?
You know, whatever it is. So he said, तुम actor बन सकते हो. So Cyrus, this is the most beautiful moment in my life. Until now.
Nobody said it.
Nobody said
positive,
it.
Huh?
And he said, तुम actor बन सकते हो. And I'm looking at him very seriously. I'm like, ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है? Not one casting director said it. Not one director.
Father?
Father has not said it. Nobody believes in me. And he thinks I can be an actor. And I've just met him for the first time. It's not like he thought that we are some, like,
Buddies.
we are some that kind of pyar that, he had to lie to me. And he was pretty straightforward. He said, but you got in a bad state. Like,
Bad state?
yeah, like you look like
Achha,
shit.
too thin and all that.
Yeah, like you look like shit. And
He said you look like shit.
yeah.
Back to dad's voice.
Yeah. So it's like, you look like shit. And you're not been trained well. You don't know shit. So to be an actor, you need to do multiple other things. This is not just going to an acting school is not good enough. Just doing some dance workshops is not good enough. And you need to have something. You need to develop yourself. So I kept looking at it and I'm like, that's quite weird in my life. That all these years nobody had faith in me. And now suddenly one of the biggest actors in
Superstars
India,
of the country.
Yeah, he has faith in me.
On the first meeting.
In the first meeting.
Yeah.
First meeting said it. And I'm looking at it.
Did you ask for 10 crore?
No.
Ah, damn it.
No, I didn't ask. But I was very honest about it. And I said, listen, my father takes care of me. This is what it is. My father takes care of my bills. I don't earn anything. If you ask me how much I earn about 25,000-30,000 rupees a month. That's what without my father, this is who I am. Which he appreciated, to be very honest. He appreciated the fact. And he just looked at Arpita and said, kahan se leke aayi tusko? Then Sohail Bhai walked in. This is the fun part, where Sohail Bhai next day, I was again called up. And Sohail Bhai walked in, he looked at me and said, Abbe tu? And I'm looking at him, I'm like, hi bhai. He's like, tu 10 saal tak kahan tha? Because
Gold Gym, huh?
Gold Gym.
Huh.
Said, Salman Bhai, come here. And he's taken Salman Bhai in a room. And I'm looking, I'm like, what happened? I don't know. I hope he doesn't go inside and say something wrong. And they both come out cracking. And they're like, ab bhi to tu mufat mein kaam karega. So I'm looking at him and I'm like, I didn't understand. I was too, new to the system to not even ask questions. So Sohail Bhai sitting next to me and he's laughing. He's like, do you know, I wanted to launch you in a film called My Punjabi Nikah. But when I wanted to talk to you, you stopped coming to the gym.
Yeah.
Now, Cyrus, I'm looking, I'm like, तो 4 साल तक मैं ऐसे अंधेरी घूम रहा था. I said, I looked at him, I was like, what are you saying? You're about to launch me.
But he made that film.
No, he's not. We are working on it now. So, after so many years. So, in my head, I'm like, 1 minute. मैं वहाँ जाके, वहाँ पर auditions दे रहा हूँ, ये सब कर रहा हूँ, और आप मुझे launch करना चाहते थे.
So if you had stayed 1 week more in Gold's Gym.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah.
Or maybe 2 weeks.
2 weeks more, yeah.
Yeah. So I said, oh shit, this has happened. So I said, now I'm in a very awkward spot. That we are about to get married. And now he's saying, अरे मैं तेरे को launch करने चाहता था. And Salman was sitting there, I wanted to do that film. But then Sohail told me I'm too old for it. Now you do it. And I'm like, 1 minute, हो क्या रहा है पर? But then he said that when are you going to get married? So Peter said, in a year and a half time, we're going to get married. Now, the beauty of this whole thing, my parents don't know anything. They have no idea.
But your dad's given you a timeline.
Yeah.
He said, boss, अभी 1 साल, 2 साल, जितना भी है, you have to come back.
So timeline थे इस direction के लिए, बेटा चल पड़ा इस direction पे.
Right.
And my dad didn't even know that I have a girlfriend or what am I doing in my life.
And part of the Khan family.
That I मेरा शादी पक्की करके आ गया. That also he didn't know. He didn't know.
You didn't tell them?
No, I didn't know myself. How did I tell them? I तो walked in. They said तुम शादी करोगे. I nodded my head. I said yeah. So I came in for a happy hi, how are you? And I walked out knowing that I'm getting married in a year. Yeah, so I had no idea where life has taken me. So now I have to tell my parents. Now while Arpita is getting ready, introducing me to everybody, the family, that we're getting married and all that, here I am thinking, how do I tell my dad?
But what is the worry? The fact that you don't have a Naukri and all that.
So my father
Or they wanted arranged marriage and go back.
So my father, I finally decided that now everybody in her family knows if we're getting married. And I've always wondered what were they thinking? Because I was not making any money. So somewhere down the line, I used to always suspect. I was like, yeah, that's quite weird. Like I've seen in movies, right? That
Too good to be true.
Kitna kamate ho tum?
Like all that.
Like, what are they cutting their daughter married to, sister married to a person like me who doesn't even make any money at that point in time. But yeah, obviously I belong to a certain family, but that's not who I am in Mumbai. So then I finally told my dad, I said, when you come down. He came, my mom came, and they were sitting and we introduced her to Arpita. And it was just a normal thing. I said, Arpita, don't be flashy. Himachalis are too simple. Don't try to be flashy. Because they will suddenly go like this.
You should have married me.
Huh? I would have loved to.
Nothing flashy. Low maintenance. खर्च की issue भी नहीं है. Don't spend any money on me, यार.
That's true. I would have loved to do that.
It would have been a great romance.
Yeah.
Anyway, then.
I would have learned how to make those nice shoulders and everything.
So what did your dad say?
Nothing. My mom actually suspected. It's like, आप Salman की बहन है? She's like, जी. So my dad doesn't know anything about films. So we said, okay. So
Your dad didn't know who Salman Khan was?
no, you know Salman Khan, but he doesn't
no
know the
interest in
family
films.
and
Yeah, yeah.
everything and all that stuff. So मैंने कहा, but dad, ये मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड है, ठीक है. I didn't have the balls to tell him that मेरी fiance है या मैं शादी करने वाला हूँ ना, अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड है. My dad chuckled. Said, तो उसकी बहन तेरे साथ क्या कर रही है? तो I said, well, she's dating each other. So he just had a weird expression on his face, and I said, Dad, we're getting married. So my dad looked at me, he's like, जब मैं मुंबई आया हूँ, तूने नया कोई बॉम्बे क्यों फोड़ा है? Sometimes मैं कॉलेज जा रहा हूँ, मैं एक्टिंग कर रहा हूँ, कभी एक्टिंग नहीं कर रहा हूँ, मैं शादी कर रहा हूँ. So he's like, एक मिनट, हो क्या रहा है यहाँ पर? Like, I told you stay in Mumbai. First I sent you to study. You said I don't do it. I would be an actor. Then you fought to be an actor. And when I said, okay, take your time, you know, you have 1-2 years, I'll pay for it, but just do something with your life. You pivot again to say, I'm getting married. So I said, yeah, Dad, now this is weird. So my mom was quite taken aback and she was like, what the hell, तेरा बड़े भाई की शादी नहीं हुई है. The Punjabi kicked in. My father was quite quiet. He didn't know what hit him. He said, you are just 24. Your facial hair has also not come. And he was actually quite interested कि what have the family seen.
In you.
So I said,
क्या
you have
potential है आप में?
to meet, yeah, so I said, you have to go and meet them, obviously. His first thing was, he said, I am going to go and I'm going to tell them that you don't do anything. Because he suspected I've lied. He thought maybe I've gone and given some false promises or I've given some big imagination of what it is, because he was suspicious of that thing ki, why?
You leg out something.
Yeah, so he went, and the first conversation that he said, nahi, ye to bichara, like my father was quite I respect him a lot.
He said the same thing again?
No, he said, आप ये तो बेचारा, आपका दिल बहुत बड़ा है.
Wow.
मैं तो अपनी बेटी कभी ऐसे आदमी को दूंगा.
Next time get your dad for the podcast. Yeah.
And he's like, कुछ कमाता नहीं है. And he was, you know, subtly just giving all the hints.
The reason not to.
Yeah, that listen, I hope you are aware of all these things, that this is not anything. You know, that हम तो बहुत simple लोग हैं, मगर आपको बस, you know, ये तो बेचारा कब से यहाँ पर ये बैठा है और 30-40 हज़ार कमा लेता है, पता नहीं घर भी मैंने दिया है. So everything is making it very subtly. His stand-up is being very civil about it, but he's making
you're
sure
not ready,
that I hope you guys know that he's not lied to you about anything and all that stuff. Yeah. So Salman said, yeah, I know. So, you know, I think he has potential to be an actor, and I'm going to train him. And that's when my dad, when he walked out, he said, he thinks you have potential inside. Man, he does think I have potential. So he's going to train me. That's what he said. So he said, do you want to be an actor? I said, I don't know that. I said,
What?
I said, I don't know. I don't know if I want to be an actor. I don't know if I want to do it anymore. I don't know if this is happening or not, because I can't, you know, now suddenly. So this is the phase, you know, in life when you suddenly are getting married, when you think like responsibility has hit you, which is not actual responsibility hit you, but you just presume that
और कुछ करना पड़ेगा.
अब मुझे कुछ करना पड़ेगा, because now if I'm getting married, I need to figure things out. I don't know if I can live my life in 30 grand.
Your dad must have gone mad, yeah. You go like this, then you say, boss, ab to.
You know, now that I'm a father myself, I respect my father billion times more.
Yeah.
I've realized, like, if my son was doing all these things, I would have been like, I don't know what you're up
He's
to.
being frank here.
Yeah.
He's not being mean.
Yeah,
It
he's
sounds mean, but he's being frank.
No, but I respect that. I respect that because somewhere down the line, he always giving a reality check, which I think fathers should do. Which is somewhere down the line, you know, it always stayed in the back of my head. Though he has a sense of humor, so dark sense of humor that he has, but he doesn't mean any harm.
But how does he feel now after you had a few releases and all? He must have, the first one he must have gone and seen, no?
You saw.
And so what was his reaction?
You don't know how to act.
Really? Second film, third film?
So first film he saw and he said, "बेटा बात नहीं है."
मतलब?
वो बात नहीं है. ठीक है, अच्छा डांस वांस कर लिया.
Like average?
ठीक, वो बात नहीं है.
Like special नहीं है?
या कुछ ऐसा नहीं है. तो I said, okay. I said, I take it. And now I know that when he says something, he's not saying it out of any pulling somebody down, but he's always the mirror.
Straight, being straight.
Yeah. And I said, I respect that. I respect that. He said, ये सब जो ठीक है, ये अभी जो लोग गाना वाला देख रहे हैं and all that, but
So अब तक तारीफ नहीं हुआ?
हुआ. After my second film. After my second film.
So what did he say? I want to hear one praise.
So Antim when happened, and he didn't know the climax. I never told him the story. He always presumed that Antim is I'm playing a negative character, but I'm playing a villain on the film. He didn't know the arc of the story, and he never understood that.
You watched it in the cinema?
Yeah, we caught him from the screening, and the whole thing and all that. And the final scene is I knew this is going to hit my dad. That this is when my character says, "Sorry, Dad." You know, I knew this is going to hit my dad. So when the lights came on, and I was right there because I knew this is the moment where he's going to hit it. He had tears rolling down his eyes, and he was shaking because he couldn't. Because the character dies in the film, and he was shaking and all. But when I came,
That's great, bro.
yeah, before anybody could say anything, he just hugged me. I was crying, and he said, "You've done a great job. I have done a great job. I can't see my son on screen. This is not what my son is, and everything." And he had tears rolled down. Like you have to literally calm him down. His tissues coming out and all that shit because it's a final scene. It's a funeral scene. And that moment, he just relaxed and he came out and he went up to Salman Bhai and in the screening and he said, "I'm eternally grateful." He said, "I never thought my boy can ever act or my boy can be on screen.
An actor, yeah.
But in Lavyatri also, I didn't think that he has any capability. This might be his first and last outing. But Antim, you groomed him and you made him to do this.
But you missed out on opportunity. Immediately after that, you should have said, "Dad, 10 crore." Timing is very important here.
Actually, yeah, I didn't think of it. I think I got swayed with emotions.
Yeah. No, it's
I have to be a little more pragmatic in life.
Your career still started, bro. There's lots of time to ask for
See,
some
you know,
money.
after 2 kids, you don't wanna aim for 10 crore. Now
That's true.
Now
100 crore.
Now I'm asking after my dad.
Your dad will think, why did I give him the 10 crore?
Because now my whole thing with my dad is, "Dad, you."
Compound interest, inflation, ginke batao.
So now one thing I keep telling my dad every time is, "Dad, you're getting old.
Yeah.
Before you forget all your."
No, but the great thing is that he's proud of you, bro. That's a lovely story.
No, I am happy he's proud, but I want to make him more proud by telling him that, "Dad, now you're forgetting things." When are you signing the will? So me and my dad, me and my brother keep joking around with him that, "Dad."
Brother, not brothers. सर जी का 50,000 रुपये पगार, पहले पगार, emotional moment था तब.
Yeah.
Never forget that.
Yeah.
Okay, we're running out of time very quickly. So anything coming up right now?
So right now I'm shooting for something.
The Punjabi Nikah film is happening also.
Yeah, the Punjabi Nikah.
The one that should have happened first.
Should have happened. Now it's finally happening. So I'm working on that. Something I was shooting last year. Now I'm going to complete that. It's a very interesting film.
So in 26 there'll be a release.
26 and
Okay, great. So we'll come back and talk about the film then.
Yes.
And then we'll discuss some more about life and times.
Yeah.
I love the struggling stories. Yeah, because they're fun.
But I like the fact that I can say that I don't want to sound like a person who struggled a lot. I won't say my glorified.
No, it is a struggle. Yeah. It's a very much a struggle, bro. Sabka struggle alag hai. But I'm thinking the struggle is just lying on a bench somewhere.
No, but it was a fun struggle in my life. I would say that.
It's a struggle, bro. It's not easy.
Yeah.
Go to Aramnagar for one day, guys. Just stand there and you'll know what life is all about. And then you'll go back to engineering in 2 minutes.
Yeah.
All right, Ayush, thank you so much for being here. I'm sorry to wake you up early morning and bring you like that.
No.
And can you get Salman next time?
I will do that.
Yeah, I don't know. He's not picking up the phone here. We're very close.
He's not picking up my phone also.
Yeah. You're calling in the morning.
No, I am calling him at all the right times.
Yeah.
But he seems to be very busy these days.
Does he have a pet name? Do they have a pet name for you?
Me? No. In Galaxy, everybody's Baba. And every woman
That's
is baby.
confusing, yaar.
But that's true.
Zomato का product आएगा तो बोले बाबा के लिए कौन सा बाबा?
But surprisingly, they all know which Baba.
Really?
I don't know how it works. So everybody is Baba and everybody's baby.
Only in India, we remain Baba and baby in our 70s, 80s
Yes,
because
yes.
you can't change that nomenclature.
So I don't know how it happens. So there's no pet name.
Good stuff. Is it the Maruti downstairs? What car is it?
Now life is program.
Ah!
It's more parked in the garage just as to show my kids where I came from.
Are you superstitious about it?
Yeah.
There's some guys who kept their first car forever. I know that.
Yeah, I am superstitious about it. And the fact of the matter is that I also like my, the babies that I have. Now I want to show them. This
is where it started.
This is where it started.
Yeah.
Though my son every time he crosses Perry Cross, he's like, "Beta," and he said, "Papa, I know. You were staying here. Stop it." Yeah.
Let's go take a look.
Yeah.
इधर ही बाजू में.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Pleasure.
Cyrus says every time, Cyrus says, जब ये कहे तुम सुनो प्लीज तमीज से बात करना है ना, इंपॉर्टेंट पीपल यार.